Best thing for me to do is to turn my mind off, think about all the things I've done, and all the things I've seen and cannot unsee. I would often go outside and stare at the night sky. It cleared my head. And it's very, very beautiful. And I would get lost in it.
Some Subway Surfers.
I knew what it was. And I knew I had a new place to live.
Within minutes, Kenda arrives at the scene on Nevada Avenue, where the night sky is awash in a flood of police lights.
Hey, Lieutenant. Stand. So we got two victims found.
Whoa, almost got eliminated.
The first victim is Chad Evans.
Oh, City, okay.
Shot in the chest.
That's a 4-letter word. I'll
He's
be
in stable
fine
condition
getting
in the
out.
hospital. The
There's
second
a couple
victim
thousand and get a
is
daily reward.
William Davis. He's 29 years old. He's been
There
shot
we
in the
go.
back of the head, and he's in extremely critical condition.
Paramedics on the mistake. Is it liquor? Nora Evans lives with her son Chad.
I'm not like all too good at Subway Surfers,
Nora Evans
but I'm good at it.
and her friend Earl followed
I'm
the
recording
ambulance.
this while I'm playing. There's no one recording it on a different device. So there may be some input delay, a lot more input delay. Because this is just 60 hertz.
Discussing the incident with a patrolman, Detective Terry Bjorndal approaches him with a possible lead.
One neighbor said that she had seen a
Oops,
red
okay.
car possibly fleeing from the scene.
Could be unrelated, but we put out APB.
The tournament has ended, okay.
Still look inside.
I'm not going to
I
watch
walk into
now.
this residence and I see a bath towel,
Okay, well, it looks like I'm playing competitive now.
and I see an extended
Competitive,
knife
am I
laying
right?
on the carpet. So obviously I'm in the right place.
Check this out.
What I see here that's so unusual is a bunch of electrical cords, and they're scattered around on the floor.
Chad and Lee both were tied up. Apparently the other two witnesses were as well, and some shot themselves. I was carried over into the bathroom down the hall. That's okay.
It is extremely rare to find a crime scene where multiple victims have been shot and that they were tied up when they were shot. When I walk into the bedroom, the mattress is overturned.
Closets were open. There were contents spilled everywhere. There was broken glass.
These aren't messy residents. Somebody is searching for something that is concealed in this place.
Can't even hear the audio from picking up the coins. I lowered my audio that way so I could talk. Wow. I didn't realize how much of the experience of audio is. I don't use like super
It's
sneakers
very obvious that this is a robbery as well as a shooting, and the time
because
says
they
that
mess me up
it's
sometimes.
So then the question is, what is it that these people are looking
I'm about to beat them first try. Okay, well maybe not first try.
Turned to the only witness
But
still
yeah.
on the scene.
Paul
Okay.
Murphy is the one that ran to a neighbor's home. He's young, just 21 years old.
How many times am I gonna beat people in like 20,
Smirky?
like 2 seconds, not 20?
Maybe
That was kind of funny.
What were you doing?
If I did it too fast, too many times, I would get eliminated from the game.
Paul Murphy explains.
I was playing with one hand.
William Davis
That
invited him to
absolutely
his girlfriend
eliminates
Marissa's
my
house
grip.
for an impromptu round of drinks.
According to Paul, you're sitting around having a couple of cocktails.
I guess the sound is really just half the experience, not
There's a
Not the
knock
game
at
or whatever.
door. He assumes that's
sounds
gonna
half
be
the
a girl.
experience.
Right on right there, man. She's forced back into the home, onto the carpet.
Wow. I mean, my high score is 1 million. But I haven't played Subway Surfer in like a long time.
Explains that Nora's son Chad was also there at the time of the incident.
And they tied them all up using electric
Oops.
cords that they find in the pumps.
I will end this video when I get to 200,000 score because I'm not that good at Subway Surfer. Never mind. Because I already got that, and that would be a very short video.
He couldn't provide us with any
Let's
suspect
not lie.
information.
That's awesome. Thanks for your time. That's going on.
Based on my own experience. This is not some random
I will
event.
end this video
These
once
guys
I get
arrived
to
wearing
200,000.
masks and
200,000.
at Nora's house by accident.
250,000, yeah. Struggling to say a number. Can't imagine like doing that the whole video.
Could shed some additional light on the incident.
I'm told that William
It's
Davis
going to be a
is
long
surgeon
video.
with a neurosurgeon, but Mr. Evans is in stable condition.
How you feeling?
I will try to find a way to post this on YouTube because I can't find this in my camera. Oh, never mind. I could just go on YouTube. YouTube has fixed that problem.
He steps out into the living room and a gun immediately is shoved in his face.
Chad's account was about the same as Paul's.
How would you describe this?
He cannot offer a
Okay,
description
please
of the
don't kill me
perpetrators,
like
even
that
though
in
he
the
is
game.
present and is a victim of a shooting. He doesn't seem to know a great deal about it.
I almost got hit by the, what's it called again?
After hitting a wall with Chad Evans,
Oh, yeah.
his next best shot at unraveling this mystery
Like the thing
rests
that you
with the
climb
other
out.
injured
I don't know
victim,
what it's called.
William Davis.
Hey, Joe.
But I gotta focus up.
I see the neurosurgeon, who I happen to know, come out of the operating room.
I'm recording.
William Davis. Have you been able to talk to him?
I hate to break it to you, he's been pronounced.
Almost. Yeah, I'm halfway there.
Do you know if there's a Nora Evans here?
Yes, she's in here with a friend with a red shirt on.
I think. Miss Evans, I'm just kind of careful with this. I know it's a difficult time.
I just lost my boyfriend and you're gonna come in here and ask me questions? How dare you?
She comes unstuck, jumps to her feet, yells at me. I just lost my man and now you want to ask me questions?
You know what? Screw you. Laura, wait.
She storms off down the hall.
Don't worry about the thing that's playing.
Everybody right now. I want to stay away from
And I feel a cringe come over me that, oh, God. When things go bad, they tend to stay bad.
Okay, y'all, I'm gonna get it this time. Okay, yeah, this is the third attempt, and they do say third time is a charm.
Domino's online carryout deal now includes our delicious oven-baked dips and twist combos for $7.99 each. So, let's play a word association game. Dips and twists,
$7.99.
8-piece wings,
$7.99.
3-topping pizzas.
$7.99.
The only place to get this deal.
Domino's.
Flowers are fighters. That's why the Alzheimer's Association Walk to End Alzheimer's is full of them. Because flowers find a way to
I'm pretty. Hopefully that ad was not. Oh yeah, I can't get copyright until I make money off of YouTube, right?
Olay brightens it up with Olay Vitamin C.
Or maybe my friend was capping and heard it from someone that caps.
$400 cream. Shop at Olay.
Not even halfway there. I've been playing for a long time. Maybe I should have took the pogo stick because that would equal to more distance. If it had a jetpack at the end.
Ice was fast.
Yeah, I'm gonna just use one of those real quick.
NexGard is the flea and tick protection that's #1 with vets. Your vet trusts it for her patients and her own dog. Plus, its delicious beef flavor is
I'm not
#1 with
watching
dogs.
any ads.
Used with caution in dogs
I'm just
with
gonna
history of
play it
severe
safe and not watch any ads
Ask your
while
vet about
I'm
NexGard.
recording.
Since it came a long way
Don't want to risk any
people are feeling
copyright
the planet open.
strikes.
A rich,
Oh,
premium milk
right.
with sugar that tastes every bit as marvelous as the moments we share.
So close to halfway
If you
there.
don't repaint every now and then, it's like the old you is still hanging around.
And listening to music.
So today, let's paint with Behr, America's most trusted paint brand, and make your home yours. Behr, exclusively at the Home Depot.
Shopping for back to school? Do it for less with fresh tees, new jeans, cool sneakers, and more adorable pieces at affordable
I
prices.
can kind of feel the vibration every time I hit the coin, or like hear something.
Fernando, he's here.
Drumstick with peanuts, blizzard, and meat.
There ain't no way he managed to get that much score. Oh, no! Okay, yeah, I'm gonna use one of those.
DQ. Happy tastes good.
This is lit.
I had to use the keys, I'm sorry. Have to use the keys.
Questions.
Because I haven't played Subway Surfers in a long time, so I'm probably rusty. Okay.
So you get great prices, discreet delivery, and deals on top brands like Prevail, all shipped faster than you know what online megastore. With Carewell, you've got this.
Please do it.
Visit Carewell.com for 30% off your first auto ship order.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, I'm so close. I'm so close. I'm so close.
Too many bills to keep track of. Let your home help. Now is the
If I lose, I have no more keys to spend to help me.
financing. Our salary-based mortgage
Oh.
consultants can help you save up to $1,000.
Okay, that wouldn't be fair if I just eliminated myself to end the video because I feel like I should not play Subway Surfers any longer. That would not be a good video. I will try though. I will. Imagine I get 300,000, wasn't even aiming for that. Or 1 million. Okay.
In the 90s, these true crime stories were everything.
Rich Beverly Hills gets killer.
Oh no. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. We're gonna claim a couple of things, I guess, before I end it off. Or if I, okay, let's check.